Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Yukon. Peace of mind comes standard with GMC's powertrain warranty and Yukon's 5-star frontal crash test rating. Boasting a Vortec 5.3-liter V8 with active fuel management, flex fuel, Yukon is agile and capable. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: trailer brake controller, 4-wheel drive, tire pressure monitoring system, daytime running lamps, fog lamps, steering wheel controls, keyless start, cruise control, power outlet, cargo net. Come see the car for yourself.